Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom, where I show you some great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or to even start one. So in today's video, we're going to build out an automation that was requested by a lot of people on my channel. This automation will allow you to create post content as well as creating images to your post. Now, we're going to use Instagram with this one, but you can use this with any social media platform, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever you want to do. You can actually use this method. Just basically change the last part of it, which is the social media platform that you're posting to. So the tools that you're going to need to post this is you're going to need a GitHub account. You're going to need a Flower account, which is spelled F-A-L-I-A account, which hosts and uses Flex. Flex is a new AI tool that allows you to create some great images. And it's actually, I like it more than Mitch Journey because it's very simple and easy, and there's a few tools out there that integrate it already, and it doesn't cost a lot of money to use. So these are things you're gonna need. You're also gonna need, if you're building this particular one, you're gonna need Instagram business account, okay? I will have links to everything at the bottom. And you're also gonna have to have your, your Google Sheet set up as well. I recommend to have all these things set up, that way you don't have to do that. So for instance, if you're going to be creating content, have all your stuff set up into your Google Sheet so you can build it. Also, if you're using Instagram, you're going to probably most likely have to re-sign into it. So have that key code, that client ID, and that secret key code on the side, so that way when it comes to that last part, you can do it. And make sure that you're signed into the right Facebook account that's linked to your Instagram account, or you're not going to be able to connect it, okay? So what we're building out today is something like this. It's basically beautiful images and content. That's what we're building out today. Again, this was asked to be built by a few of my subscribers, so we're building this out today. And you can see how great the images are coming out using this method. I was looking for something that was really smooth, and it created this great content and these great images. I tested everything, okay? So let's jump right in and build this automation out. So the first module you're gonna need is you're gonna need a Google Sheets. And what you're gonna choose is search rows, okay? Now, if you see in my past video, I've explained how you connect your Google Sheets to your Boost Space. If you see my previous videos, if you haven't, look at some of the videos, and I have a couple of walkthroughs that shows you how to connect it. Okay, so you're going to look for the sheet that you're going to use, and you're going to connect it. And then you're going to go down here and click on sheet, and then you're going to leave that. Now, this is the columns A through CZ, which is like basically the first three columns. So when you create this, you're going to actually create ID, whatever social media you're using, if that's how you want it, and status. You want to make sure you have the first one and the second one. Status, the idea, that's just something I put in. You can put whatever you want in, just to let you know, okay? So you're going to go down here, excuse me, and then you're going to choose status, and then you're going to go here, and then you're going to put not posted there, and then you're going to go down here and you're going to put the order it is. So it's going to basically start with the A column. You're going to leave all this the same. Now, if you're doing multiple posts on Instagram, then this is where you would put that at. We're going to go at 1 for now and hit OK. Okay. The second module that you're going to need is you're going to need another Google Sheet column, and you're going to look for update rows. Okay. And then you're going to you're going to look for the sheet that you're using. It's going to find it on here. It's basically sheet ID. Give it a second. Okay, we'll find it. There it is. Excuse me. And then you're going to go here and you're going to click on sheet. And then here you want to go into, you're going to connect this to here. So what you're looking for on here is your row number. Okay, you're going to put that there. And then you're going to go down to status, and then you're going to put in status, you're going to put post. So basically every time it posts, it's going to show that was done already. Just like here, just like here, I posted this and I posted that. It's going to put that there automatically. You know, this is the automation you don't have to touch. All you got to do is just basically keep on creating these roles and what the content you want to be, and make sure you put not post. Okay, so that's all you got to do. It will automatically post automatically to your social media. So once all that's done, you'll hit OK, and you'll hit save. Don't forget to save. I forgot to save. The second one you're going to use HTTP. Now this is where it gets a little complicated, so I will go slow and make sure you be able to get all this information. Okay, so let's move this over here so you can see it more. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're looking for HTTP make a request. This is where you're going to hook up your Flow to this and your Flex account to this to generate the images. Okay, so we're going to go over now. If you don't have, again, I will have the links to these platforms so you can get into them, okay, and use them. So basically you can start out with using this as $1 to test it to see if you like it. I like this one because this one has a bunch of different Flex programs. I've tried the Pro, I've tried the Pro Ultra, I've tried all different kinds. So when you go in here and explore, excuse me, you can go in here and look at different type of models. Now I haven't used all the models, I've just used the text to image so far. They got video and everything else in here. So again, this is a really powerful platform that has a different models and everything. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in here, and once you signed up, again, you need to get a GitHub account, okay? You're gonna create a key code, okay? And you're gonna copy that and put that on the side, give it a name, and you're just gonna key code. And then what you're gonna do is, once you get that done, you're gonna go to Explore, and then you're going to go to text to image, and this is going to bring up all the different type of text to images. We're going to use text. Let me find it here. Let's see, where is it? We're going to use Pro. Let me find it. Where'd it go? Okay. Okay, we're gonna click on this one. We use Ultra Pro, which looks like it's new one. So you're gonna go in here, and then you're gonna hit on API, which is where the API is, and then you're gonna go down here and you're gonna click on Send Request. Or sorry, Submit a Request. And then this is the information that you're going to need to paste in. So the first thing you're gonna need is the URL. Okay, so you're gonna go in here, and you're going to copy this right here. It says URL. You're going to copy this from here all the way here. Okay. And you're going to copy that, and you're going to paste that right here. Now, you need to take out a couple things. The query, you're going to take out. You're going to go back from the dot. You're going to go all the way back, and you're going to remove that. Okay. Then the next thing, the method, you're going to do post. Okay. And then we're going to add some headers in here. We're going to add some simple, easy headers. And the headers, you're going to get that information from this, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to add our first header, and our first header is authorization. So we're going to go in here and copy authorization. Again, this is real simple, copy and paste. It's not very confusing. Just paste that in there. And then the values is going to be your API code that you have. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in key, and then you're going to hit space, and then you're going to put your API code in there. Okay, so let me grab my API code real quick. And if you see this, it's okay. I'm going to be changing it, so don't worry about it. So I'm going to grab my API key from here, and I'm going to go over here. And you're going to paste it just like this. Okay, then you're going to go in and you're going to add another header. And then you're going to go in here and you're going to add some content from here. So you're going to go over here and you're going to copy content type, just that, copy, and paste it in here. And then you're going to go in here and copy the application JSON. Okay, you don't need the dots or anything like that. You just need the basic information. So you're going to copy and paste that in there. Okay, then you're going to go down here to the body type, and you're going to put raw. And then you're going to put content type. You're going to put JSON right there. Okay, simple as that. Now, excuse me. What you're going to go in here is you're going to be connecting your Instagram thing. So there's a prompt here. Like, it's not really a prompt, it's just some information. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this right here, and you're going to paste that in there. Okay, and then you're going to move it backspace a little bit, delete it, and then you're going to go in here and you're going to connect your Instagram, whatever you've named that B row. I call my Instagram post ideas. So I click on that. Now what you want to do is you want to put a quotation here. Let me find it on my keyboard. And you want to put a quotation here and asterisk. You want to put the same asterisk. Oops, it disappeared here. Put the P here. Okay, let's put the P back here. And let's put the asterisk here. Okay, it looks like that. And then you want to put the asterisk, make sure the asterisk is here as well, the other way. Okay, you want to make sure it looks exactly like this. Okay, you got the prompt, you got that, and you got the thing, the two quotations and the thing and that. I will have this right here. I'll copy and paste this. All you gotta do is copy and paste it and here. So I'll have that in my at the bottom of the video as well. And then you're gonna hit yes. So just make sure everything's okay. Make sure we got everything. Looks like we got everything. And we're gonna hit okay. The next part we're gonna need is ChatGPT. Okay, so we're gonna go into ChatGPT and we want to create a prompt here. This is what we want right here. Now, this is where you could choose any model you want to use for ChatGPT. I use 4.0. It's a little less costly. Plus, it writes real good content. And you're going to need a ChatGPT account too. I forgot to mention that in my the tools. Again, I will have all these links where you can get all these tools. So if you connected the ChatGPT already, it should automatically connect. And what you're going to do is choose your model. Again, I'm choosing 4.0. Okay, it's thinking, it's connecting. Very simple, very easy. Again, this is not going to be a very long video, about maybe like 20 minutes. Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. Now we want to hit meshes and we want to add a user. And then this is where you're going to paste your prompt at, okay? That's where you're going to paste it at. There we go. And then you're going to add your tokens. I'm going to add 500. That's it. You don't need to do anything with that. Just look it over, make sure you got everything in there. You have your prompt you created, you've chosen your 4.0, which is the model. Make sure you have user in here and then put your prompt in there and then put your tokens. You can use how many tokens you want. I use 500 because it writes really good content with that. So hit OK. Now we're going to hit save. Now, before we add the social media, we need to run this so that way we can get, because we need some data from here. So we're going to run this. So we already saved it. Now we're going to run it. Okay, and then you're going to see that it's going to grab my next post. Okay, so let's grab over here and let's run it. Okay, it's thinking, boom, boom. Okay, there's an error here. So let's check it out. Let's see, post, Instagram, raw. Okay, it might be that. So let's fix that. Let's grab what I have over here on my other one. And again, I will make sure that this is at the bottom of the video, so it makes it a little easier for you when you're building this out. Okay, let's delete that. Let's paste that in there. Okay, when you do that, when you do that, you're going to have to back out the black part, and then you're going to have to go back in and add the Instagram or whatever you named it there. Okay, and you're going to hit OK. You're going to hit save, and then you're going to run it again. Yeah, it was that part. So what it was something, I must have missed a quotation or something. So again, it's a little glitchy, but it's working. So now it's going from the sheet to approval, to post, to making my image, and now it's making my content. Now, the last and final is your social media. Again, I'm using Instagram because I am like to post on Instagram. I think these images are amazing. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit create a picture post. That's what you want. Okay. Okay, let's connect now. This is where you might have to connect your Instagram back up. As you can see, let me move this over here. You can see it failed, so we're gonna have to connect it up again. So let's go over here, add. You're going to hit show advanced settings, and you're going to hit, if you have it already, you're going to put your client ID. Again, if you haven't done Instagram, connect to Instagram, I will leave a link at the bottom to show you how to connect it to Boost. It's a really good step-by-step tutorial. It's simple, easy to do. But if you guys want me to do a video on how to connect Instagram or any other platform to Boost Space, please comment at the bottom. Just like the person commented about this video, that's why I'm doing it. Okay? So you put your secret key in again. And when you get that secret key, you should save it someplace on your computer so where you know it, so you don't have to keep on doing going back and forth logging in. Okay, so it looks like it says ask me, do I'm going to connect to me, and a message is going to pop up on the side, and then I'm going to reconnect. Again, be logged into the Facebook account that your business LinkedIn account's connected to. Okay, once that's connected, it's going to it's going to go through the process of setting it up. There we go. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the page that we want to post to, which is my Instagram account. Give it a second. And if you guys want these automations, let me know, because what I'm going to be doing is starting a group, trying to get a group a group set up by the end of the month where you can log in and grab all of these automations that I'm building. And some of these automations will not be on video. They will only be in the group, okay? All right, so what you do is you choose your page, and then you're going to go here, and you're going to go down to here. This is what we needed. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to data, and then you're going to go to, excuse me, image, and then you want the URL. You want that there. And then the caption, which is right here, you want to go to OpenAI. So you want to go to choice, you want to go to message, and you want to choose content. Okay? That's what you want to do. And that's all you have to do for this one. All you got to do is hit OK, and then hit save. And then your automation is done. Like I said, this video is not going to be for that long. For a person who's experienced, it take about 20 minutes. A person who's not experienced, probably maybe 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so once you've done that, now let's run this test again to make sure it's posting. As you see, it grabbed these two. It skipped that one for some reason. I don't know why. So we got two more in here. So let's start doing another one. So what we're going to do is sorry, let me go back in here. We're going to make sure that it has one in here. Okay, good. Okay. And then we're going to run it again. Now I will be setting this up to post once a day, one image to my Instagram once a day, because I have another automation running automatically too. Now it looks like there's an error right here again. So let's see what it is. Okay. Prompt is correct. Okay, let's go back in here and look. Okay, automation, the prompt is good, that's good. Sometimes it looks like this is a little glitchy a little bit. I don't know why. I put the prompt in here. Let me take this out again. Let me grab it again. Copy. Okay, we're gonna go here and paste this in here. Okay, and then we're gonna go here. Put that over here. We're going to delete that, and we're going to put that image right here. Let's see, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay, here's right here. Make sure that's even up. Blah 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 blah. Hit OK. Hit save. Let's go back to Google Sheet, and it's this let's change this one, change this one, and change this one, so that we have a few to work with. Okay. All right. And this reason why this one's not here is because it doesn't have a number on it. Okay, they don't have numbers on it. Okay, so make sure that these have numbers on them. For some reason, I don't know why, I must have deleted the numbers. Okay. All right, just make sure they have numbers on them. Okay, all right, there we go. Everything's good to go. Okay, now let's go back here to our automation, and let's run it. Okay, looks good, looks good, looking good, looking good, looking real good. Okay, all right, there we go. Yeah, it was that, and I think it had to be the numbers, or it had to be the prompt from grabbing that data from the sheet. So it's doing everything. It's working fine. Okay, it's done. Let's look at our Instagram real quick. Let's refresh the page. There it goes. Got a girl with a beard, a little different. But it did do the content. I personally wouldn't use this picture. I would probably put something else and maybe edit the prompt. But this looks good. I mean, it looks the image is really really good. Maybe the girl is decided to grow a beard. I don't know. Anyway, but here's the content. It wrote some really good content and it posted on my Instagram. Okay, and it also with my prompt I put hashtags. So if anybody wants me to share, anybody wants information on how to build this, it's very simple and easy. So it's done. So actually, I'm going to delete that because I really don't want the beard on there. So I'll delete that later. Okay. So this is simple. This is how you build the automation to post onto your social media using image and content. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and I'll be making more of this, and I'm hoping that you enjoyed this video as well as my other ones. I will talk to you soon and enjoy your day, and again, Happy New Year, and I will see you soon. Bye.